Hi friends, this is Varun Kumar. Today we are going to learn about advanced HCF and LCM. So if you haven't watched the part 1, so please go and watch part 1. Today it's part 2. So I hope you are well. So let's start this video. Now let us see the first problem, which is a level-upping problem. So if n is a natural number, then 2 into 5 to the power of n plus 6 to the power of n always ends with. Here they asked if the n is a natural number. If natural number means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it's a natural number. So what is the value of n? Is always ends with. Let us see. 2. Let us assume 1. If we take n as 1, it will 5 ones are 5, 6 ones are 6. If we simplify it, 6 level 2 is a 22. 6 plus 5 level 2 is a 22. So ending is 2. Now we can't say by simplifying one number. So let us take another number. Let us take 2 in the place of n. 5 2s are plus 6 2, like 5 to the power of 2, 6 to the power of 2, 5 5 are 25, 6 6 are 36, 36 into 2, 72, 25, 122. So even here the ending number is 2. So the answer is always will be 2. Okay, I hope you understand. See, let us see again. N is a natural number, all we know. There is a value, we have to find the n, but if we find the n, there must be see that what number does it's always end, like here. If we simplify it, the number must end with same number. So here is 2. If we simplify by 1, it will be 2. If we simplify by power of 2, it will be 2. So answer will be, even if we can do 3 or 3, even if you simplify it 3, the answer will be same, you will get in be 2. I hope you understand. Now let's go to the next question. Okay, in the second question, if it's very tricky question, but it's very easy. If you didn't understand the question, I have given the question in the PDF in description. You can go and check it out, or you can practice it. Now let's move to the question. If x is equal to, let us write, if x is equal to 2 is to power of 5 into 7, y is equal to 2 is to power of 2 into 3 is to power of 2 into 5, z is equal to 3 is to power of n into 5, and the LCM of x, y, z is 2 is to power of 5, 3 is to power of 4 and into 7. So this is LCM, this is the given data. So what we have to find is n. What is the value of n? In z you can see the value of n they haven't given, so we have to find the value of n. How to find the value of n? Here they are given a LCM. LCM of x, y, z is 2 to the power of 5, 3 to the power of 4 and 7. How LCM are founded? Like we should find a common factor and we should take highest common factor. Like here the highest into highest is 2 to the power of 5, 2 to the power of 5. In 3 highest is 2, but here n can be more than 2 or less than 2. So let we take n. So here they have given 4 as n. So answer will be n is equal to 4, because the value of n is haven't given in the question, but in the LCM they have given the value of n. So the highest number is n. So answer will be n. If you didn't understand, please go rewind and watch it. See how we should take a common factor of any. Here I will take common factor of 3, 5, 7, 2, 7 into 0 into 0 0 0 0. In 2, which is highest? In these common 2 2 2, which is highest? As usual, x is highest, which is highest, so I will take 2 to the power of 5. In 7, which is highest? 7 7 7 7 7 is highest, like this is highest. 7 to the power of 0 means 1. Okay. In 3 which is in 3 common, which is highest? 2 is highest, but n can be more than 2. So we do suppose we don't know n, so if the LCM is 4, so answer will be n of will be 4 in 7, so answer will be 4. I hope you understand. Word problem, which is very easy but it looks very complicated, so let us solve this. There is a circular path. Okay, there is a circular path. A takes 18 minutes to finish one round. A, there is a takes 18 minutes to finish one round. B takes 12 minutes. If they start at the same point in same direction, how much minutes will they meet again in the same point? Let's suppose A and B are there. If A takes 18 minutes. A take 18 minutes to finish one round. Okay. B takes 12 minutes to finish one round. So if there is this is a starting point. If it's a starting point, if they start at the same time, go to the same direction, if they want to meet again the same starting time, how much minute will be taken? So here we have to take LCM because it will be higher than 12 or higher than 18 also, so 18 minutes also. So let us take LCM of 18 and 12. LCM of 18 and 12, I have taught how to take LCM in the previous class, so you can go to the previous video and watch it. 6 3s are 6 2s are. So here it cannot go with any particular number apart from the one, so we will take it as LCM into 6 into 3 into 2. 6 3s are 18, 18 2s are 36. So answer will be 36 minutes. So answer will be 36 minutes. After 36 minutes, A and B will meet again in the same point. Okay, again they will meet in the same point. If A goes 18 minutes, A takes 18 minutes, B takes 12 minutes. If B reaches here in 12 minutes. If A want to reach, A will be here. A will be here 6 minutes late. So if they want to meet at a particular same point, it will take around 36 minutes. Okay, this was the same question. This is a quantitative aptitude question. It's very basic question. So I hope you understand. If you didn't understand, watch it again or read the question properly. I will giving this question in the description. So here is the next question, which is very easy. For if you look, it's very difficult. The length and breadth of a room. There is a room. The length and breadth of room is 8 meter 50 centimeter, 6 meter 25 centimeter, and 4 meter 75 centimeter. There is a 3 room. Length of these 3 rooms are this 8 meter 50 centimeter. Okay. Find the longest rod that can measure. Rod means this is the rod. Suppose this is a room. If the first room whole centimeter perimeter is 850 centimeter, you can't measure 850 centimeter in 1000 meters, 1000 centimeter scale you can't measure, right? So here what they asked is, find the largest rod which can be measured. 8 meter is 100 meters. Sorry, 1 meter is 100 meters. 8 meters is 850 centimeters, and 625 centimeters, and 475 centimeters. Okay. So what we have to do is, we have to find the longest rod which can measure these dimensions. So okay, how to find this longest rod is, we have to take HCF of these 3 numbers. Okay, how to take HCF, I will show you an easy attempt. What we have, first we will find HCF of 850, then 625, then 475. How to find HCF is, so let us start finding HCF. Okay friends, I have found the HCF of these 3, and I will say how to find like this HCF. Okay, first what we have to do is prime factorize it, like 5. How many times the 5 is here? 2 times. 5 2 into 17. Here 25 into how much time? 5 is 2. 5 square. Okay, here 5 square, 2 times 5 square into 19. So what we have to do is, we should make everything common. Okay, how to make common? First thing, how to make common? 5 is there in 3 row, there is 5. Okay, 5 5 5. Is there is a 2 here? Is there is a 25 here? No. What we first, we will look at the first row. Is there 25 here? No. Let us make 25 0. 0 is nothing but 1. It's easy to find. Okay, is there a 17 here? No. 17 0 into, is there a 2 here? 2 0. Okay, is there a 25? No. 25 0, 17 0. I think I got all the number 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. Yes. No, 19. I think we didn't get 19. Yeah, 19. 19. 19. Okay. I hope all the number is okay. Now we have to find which we have to find in these numbers which is lowest. In 5 common, which is lowest? Of course 5 square is lowest. So 5 square into which is lowest? 2 0 is lowest. In 17, which is lowest? Into 17 0 is lowest. In 25, which is lowest? 25 0 is lowest. In 19, which is lowest? 19 0 is lowest. So if we have 0 here, the value is only 1. So answer will be 5 5s are 25. So the 25 centimeter long rod will be easy to measure by these and these. So I hope you understand. If you didn't understand, please go and watch the previous video. If you don't know the basic, you can't do this. If you didn't understand, rewind it and watch it again. Okay, here is the next question. The question is very complicated and it's very easy to solve. The number of students in English, Hindi and Maths. There are 3 sections: English, Hindi and Maths. Is 60, 84, 108. There are these number of students in each section. Like in English 60 students, in Hindi 84 students, in Maths 108 students. Find the how many numbers required, same subject and equal numbers. Like in a room, if you allot the room, there must be a same subject and same person. For example, if there is a 2% in a room, the 2% should be either Hindi, English or Maths. So there can't be a math students or English student in another class. So you have to keep exact same number students in a room of the same subject. So how to find this? This is nothing but we should find HCF of these 3 things. So 60, 84, 108. If we take HCF of this 12 will be divisible by all these 3 numbers. 12 5s are 12 6s are 7s are 12 9s are. So apart from the one or itself, this number cannot divide by any number. So HCF will be 12. Okay, HCF will be 12. So what they asked is how many rooms are required with the same subject and in an equal number. So we have to divide these in 12. 60 divided by 12, 84 divided by 12, 108 divided by 12, as it gets the same answer: 5, 7 and 9. Plus. These are the answer. 5 plus 7, 7 plus 9 is equal to 5 plus 9 is 14. 14 plus 7 is equal to 21. So we need 21 rooms. 21 rooms to keep students with same subject and equal number. If we keep these students in an equal number, we will get it. Okay, so this is the problem. I hope you understand. Now let's move to the next question. Okay, the next and last question. A fruit vendor has 990 apples. A fruit vendor has 990 apples, 945 oranges. He packs them in a basket, contains only one fruit but in equal numbers. Find the number of fruit he put in each basket. So it's like a previous question. You have to put this apple and oranges in a basket. Okay, but the condition is in basket, if you put apple, you shouldn't put orange. If you put orange, you shouldn't put apple. So how much fruit should contain in one basket and equal numbers? Okay, let us find this. It's nothing but HCF problem. So apple is 990, orange is 945. Let us take HCF of these 2 number. 990 of HCF of 990, 3 3s are 0, 100, 500, 3, 300 and 3 1s are 0. It's sorry, 3 1s are 0 and 11 tens are 110. So here 5 2s are 2 1s are. This is LCM HCF of 990. Now let's find HCF of 945. 3 3s are 3 15s are. Yeah, 15s are 3 15s are 305s are 305s are 7 10s are 7 15s are 5 3s are 3 1s are. Now let us take the common. Okay, how to take common? How much 3 is there? 3. First let's take this 3 square into 11 into 5 into 2. Okay, how much 3 is there? 3 cube. 3 cube into 7 into 5. Now let us make common. 3 is common, 11 is not common, 5 is common. So 7 11 0 7 0 2, even 2 is not there, 2. Okay, now let us find out which is the lowest in these factors. In these 3 common, which is lowest? Obviously 3 to the power of is lowest. 3 to the power of is lowest. In level, which is lowest? Level to the power of 0. In 5, which is 5 is as it is. Okay, in 2, which is lowest? 2 to the power of 0. In 7, which is lowest? 7 to the power of 0. If we calculate this, 3 3s are 9 into level 1 into 5 into 1 into 1. 9 1s are 9. 9 5s 9 into 5 into 5 1s are 5 into 1 is 5. So 9 5s are 45. So the fruit, so answer will be, your answer will be 45 fruits. Answer will be 45 fruits. Like a fruit vendor has to put 45 fruits in each basket with equal number which can be gone. So this is your question. I hope you understand. If you didn't understand, go rewind and watch this video. So guys, I hope you came from here. So thank you for watching my video. Today the subscriber target is 20. Current my subscriber is 17. So target is 20 and like target is 5. Okay, thank you. We will meet you on next video.